Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1 to 2 times a week related to all things fashion, lifestyle, and self-care. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight's video is all about self-care. So let's unwind for the night and get ready for my nighttime self-care routine. Normally, I would start off by muting my phone so I won't have any distractions. Then I start to ask myself, how am I doing? How am I feeling? What did I accomplish today? Did I accomplish everything that I needed to do on my to-do list? And what's my next plan for the night or for the next day? I always have YouTube playing in the background just for a little noise. And it also helps me to get motivated because I see some of my favorite creators working and I'm like, okay, this is what I want to do. So I continue to watch and continue to be influenced and continue to be motivated. But I journal my feelings along the way. Like what am I feeling? Am I happy with today's progress? Did I achieve everything that I set out to do today? How am I feeling on the inside? And I journal my thoughts and my feelings, and it kind of helps me to just put things into perspective and balance my day out.
You drink, get fed, you feel like this is your only option. And if it's too late, I understand.
Afterwards, I just chill and relax, do something I love, which is doing absolutely nothing at all, because our mind is always on go, go, go. Take a few minutes out of the day to just do nothing. Today was just a simple self-care day. We're going to take off our makeup, go in the shower. I think it's time for me to change out my shower products because I have all summer strawberries, roses scent. I need to change them out and put all the nuts, all the nutty butters. So let's do that before we take our shower. In here is a hot mess. I know, in here is a hot mess. I really need to work on organizing in here. Maybe when I'm off for the holidays, I'll organize. This is the Native's Fall Body Wash. Smells so good. And I actually want to use this as well. This is eucalyptus. Since we're doing self-care, let's go with the eucalyptus. And then we're going to finish off with some body glaze. Grab your favorite essential oil and set the mood. Honey, I like the bathroom to smell as if I'm in a spa. Okay? I love any citrusy smell, so this sweet orange and lime woke me up. It had the room smelling like a citrusy garden. Not really a fall smell, but they get the job done. A little hack, I freeze my grapes in wine and I put it in the freezer and I just keep it there. So whenever I'm drinking wine, I pop a couple of grapes in my cup and it helps to keep my wine nice and chill, just how I like it. And as I'm taking a bath or as I'm relaxing, I go ahead and I just munch on my grapes. shower is my escape. It is my go-to. It is my ultimate self-care location. Honestly, it's the beach. If I could live at the beach, I would. But since I can't go to the beach every day, my shower is the next best thing. Find a self-care routine that works for you. I know a lot of people don't care for the showers, especially long showers. That's fine. Journal, go for a walk, read a book, do whatever makes you happy. For me, the shower is my escape.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me.
Normally when I get out the shower, I don't put a towel on. I just let the water that's on my body sit on my body and absorb in my body. That to me is just more moisture. And then I will go ahead and I'll use whatever oils I have or whatever body cream I have to just seal that moisture in. My holy grail of oils is jojoba oil. It's not jojoba, it's jojoba. I use it to remove my lipstick. I use it to seal in the moisture on my skin. You can use it in your hair. Some people use it on their face. That is my go-to oil. After the shower, I moisturize my lip, remove any makeup, any lipstick, brush my hair, and then I'll apply a little jojoba oil to my hair just to seal it in. When I tell y'all these grapes good bussin', y'all gotta try it. Freeze your grapes. Freeze your grapes to put them in your wine. Keep it chill.
Try to get by, but I'm burning. My mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me.
Surprisingly, I managed to keep up with my Clara's New York skincare routine, and I'm really enjoying it. I have a glow afterwards. So first I start off with their brightening serum, which is a vitamin C. I put that on my chin. I do not apply that all over my face because I do not want to lose this beautiful melanin. And then I follow up with their collagen. I put it on my forehead, my nose, my wrinkle areas, and your neck. Don't forget to put collagen and your moisturizer and your skincare routine on your neck. You don't want to have a tight face and then a wrinkly looking neck. Don't do that to yourself. But it's a 4-step skincare routine and it's perfect for sensitive skin. I have no irritation, no breakout, and my skin is very sensitive. They do offer 2 hyaluronic acid products. You have this one, which is the liquid form that I put on my face, and then the cream is also a hydrating hyaluronic acid cream as well.
Tell you what I need, right? I really need time. I need to free my mind. I really need my mind. I really need, I need to free my mind now. I really need time. I need to free my mind. I really need my now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me your love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one the price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. Far behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my babe. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need my love. I need to free my love. I really need.
This product is very thick and creamy. You do not need a lot. And with me with a heavy hand, this little spoon comes in handy because I'm able to measure out a little precise amount and not overdo it. This is not a sponsored video. I did receive this in PR, but this is not sponsored at all. So if you do have sensitive skin and you're looking for a skincare routine, I definitely recommend trying Clara's New York. Or if you have normal to oily skin tone, I definitely recommend giving them a try. I'm just speaking personally for my dry, sensitive skin. This caused no reaction. And look at the glow, baby. Glowing, glistening goddess.
I really need, I need to free my mind out. I really need time now. I really need, I need to free my mind out. I really need time now. Oh, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, my skin needs a little rejuvenation. Your girl been looking a little crusty lately, and it's because of Florida weather. Florida weather been stupid. Like 70 in the morning, and by 12 noon, we're back in the 80s and 90s. This Mary Kay white tea and citrus provide the right amount of moisture that my skin needs. Get you a really good moisturizer for the winter time, and then follow up with a nice deep dry body oil, or you can use a deep moisturizing body oil. But this Mary Kay white citrus line, perfect. I'll go ahead and I'll hit my seller below. I romanticize my life every chance I get. I act out as if I'm in a movie or a nice romantic book. It's just me by myself. Well, me and you guys, the camera. But romanticize yourself. It's me just rubbing oil over my body to just seal in all that moisture from the shower and the cream. But make it sexy. Don't be just romanticize your life as much as you can, because life is short. And if nobody not gonna romanticize you, baby, you do it. After my shower and my skincare, I feel like a blockage has been removed from my mind, and I'm now able to think clearly and my ideas are flowing. And I'm writing down, not just for business wise, but for my job, things that I want to do, things that I want to do as a creator, things I want to do as a mom and a wife. And I just write everything down, because before it was like a blockage. But after I complete my self-care routine, I'm able to do so much more. So I highly recommend, after your self-care shower or your self-care walk, try to journal again. Try to sit down and write down your thoughts and your feelings, or whatever it is. Try to plan out your day. You'll have so much more clarity once you're done with your self-care.
Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Guess the verdict's in, I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my heart. I have
On a good day, I can get about 2 hours of alone time to myself while my daughter is at school and my husband is at work. This is me on the way to pick her up, enjoying the sun going down and just having talks, because sometimes that's all you need too, is to just take a break, have your self-care, have your time, and then you're able to talk to your family, talk to your spouses, talk to your friends once that blockage is removed. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I surely enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.